Okay, we love you, Queen Julian. Ay, ate ko mali. Mali ata ang pinag-commentan mo, pero mag-comment down below na lang po kayo kung sino po talagang kamukha ko. Wow, feeling! Hello, Clash Nation! This is Naya Ambi, and this time, we will be reacting sa comments ng Clash Nation. Ang susunod naman, I guess singing isn't about being perfect at all. It's all about the heart. God gives us a talent to honor and glorify Him. He wanted us to offer everything to Him. There's no perfect artist. Wow! Nadali nyo po! Grabe no? Totoo po itong mga ito dahil ang pagkanta po, it's all about the heart. What you feel towards you are singing, kung ano po yung emotion na gusto nyong ipahatid sa mga taong nanonood. Okay, next! Gusto ko yung pagkanta ni Naya, malinaw. Mas napapalabas yung natural na galing dahil sa clarity. Parang professional singer ang dati. Wow! Sa professional singer! Maraming salamat din po sa pagre-recognize sa mga talent ng mga clashers. And yun po, maraming salamat po. Just keep on supporting all of us hanggang sa dulo. Maraming salamat po, Clash Nation. Goodbye!